A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24. Find the slant height of the tent. Cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 72. By now we know how to solve this. We just need to multiply the total surface area to the amount that is for 1 meter square. So we'll get the value or the price of the canvas that is required for the tent. So we know the height. Suppose this is our cone and this is the height is this h, this is l and this is r. So by using Pythagoras theorem we will get the value of l is equals to under root h square plus r square. So l is equals to 10 square plus 24 square. So this will come out to be under root 676. So value of L is equals to 26. So now we know the slant height of the cone and the radius. So we can find the cost of the canvas that is required. So now we know whenever the tent is laid on for an event or something, it is covered along the lateral dimensions. That means the base circle is not covered with the cloth of the tent. So we need to find the curved surface area. So CSA of the curve is equals to curved surface area is equals to pi RL. So let's put the values in the equation. 22 by 7 as pi, R is 24 and our L we find 26. So our value would be 13728 by 7. This we don't have to divide this 7 with the numerator yet, because it will make our calculation much easier in the next step. So now this is the area that will be used for the tent. Now let's find out the cost. So for 1 meter square we have the cost is equals to 70 rupees, and for this much area our cost will be equals to 70 multiplied by this area divided by 7. So 7 from gone from here, this is 10. So our final cost is equals to 137,280 rupees. This is our final cost that is required to lay the tent.